gentlemen, boys and girls, and all you junior chefs out there, are you ready to have some fun in the kitchen? Then let's all give a warm welcome to your host, Chef Lilly.
That's me! Hello, look at all of you in your chef hats. You all look so amazing. I got one too. Are you ready to make some magic in this kitchen? Hello, friends. How are you? Oh, this is so exciting. Look at this beautiful kitchen. We are so lucky. Hi, everybody. Hi, Chef Lilly. Wow, look at all these amazing junior chefs. You know, I started cooking when I was very young, and I've always loved everything about it. The taste, the smells, the way the recipes are put together. But do you want to know what is my favorite part? The fact that it's so much fun! Now, how many of you have ever helped your friends or your family, anybody out in the kitchen before? Raise your hand. Oh, wow, that's a lot of you. All right. Well, tell me, what are some of your favorite foods to cook in the kitchen? Raise your hand. Yes. Cake. Oh, cake is really good. That's a great one. Kayla, yes. Cake, another cake. We love lots of cake in here. Okay, yes. Cookies. Oh, I've got a surprise for you. All right, we'll take one more. Cookies. Wow, we are sweet tooth people in here. I love it. All right, okay, last one. Yes. And ice cream. There we go. We've got a little mixer-upper. These are all really yummy suggestions. Now, of course, food doesn't just taste good, but it's really good for us too, right? Especially the kinds that make us more strong and healthy. Can I see your muscles? Let me see. Oh yeah, we've got some healthy eaters in here. All right. Well, today, junior chefs, we are going to learn something really special because together we are going to bake up a treat that is not only really delicious to eat, but super fun to make. But first, like all good chefs, we all must wash our hands. Exactly. So we're all going to do it together. Here we go. Grab your wipe and give your hands a nice, good scrub-a-dub-dub. We want to make sure that we always wash our hands before we do any cooking in the kitchen. That is the most important part. So make sure you get the palms of your hands. Exactly. Good job, Caitlin. All right, and then the backs of your hands. Great. Make sure you get in between those fingers. We want really squeaky clean hands. Let's see these hands over here. Oh, yep, those are really clean hands. I see your clean hands. All right, can I see your clean hands? Oh my gosh, it's almost blinding. They're so sparkly clean. Thank you, Savannah. All right, when you have clean hands, go ahead and give them a nice good wave in the sky so I can see them. Wow, I can almost see through them. They are so clean, squeaking. All right, thank you everyone for washing your hands. That is always the very first step when it comes to being a good junior chef. Okay, now we can begin. But for today's recipe, I am going to need a little help in the kitchen. This is a really big job. So I've invited a very special friend to come and help us out with that. Are you ready? Put your hands together for the one, the only Chef Goofy! He's all dressed up to the occasion too. How exciting! He took time out of his very busy schedule to come and make us. Are you ready? He was very excited. Let's start our mix. Can everyone say hi, Chef Goofy? Hi, Chef Goofy! Wow, you look so great in your chef outfit, doesn't he, junior chefs? We are so excited you're here. I was just about to reveal today's recipe. I sure hope you're hungry. That's great. How about you, junior chefs? Are you ready for something yummy too? Me too, so let's get ready! Alright! Oh! That's a hot dog! Oh, wow, Chef Goofy! That hot dog looks so delicious, but we're not making hot dogs today. No, we're gonna bake something! I know! You love baking! Come on! Let's get out my magical cookbook. Oh, and look up today's recipe. Okay, now today's recipe gives us a list of all the ingredients we need, and it even tells us how to put them together so we can make something really delicious to eat. So today we are making magical oatmeal raisin cookies. Oh, that sounds so good. Can we say that together? On the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Magical oatmeal raisin cookies. Oh, it sounds better when we say it together. Now, today's recipe is made up of some really delicious and minerals. Plus, they make a really great snack, especially this one. We could all snack on that one for days, it's so big, huh? And in today's recipe, we're going to be using almond flour. Thank you so much, Chef Lilly. All right, junior chefs, let's start mixing these ingredients, huh? Now, each of you, one at a time, will have a turn to add or mix in a special ingredient. And my very helpful chef assistants are going to be right there to show you how. So can my chef assistants wait for me? Thank you so much. They are so great. All right, now raise your hand if you are standing in front of a red mixing bowl. Perfect! You get to go first. And the chef assistant is going to help you add in a half cup of soft butter and 1 cup of light brown sugar. Ready? Go ahead. Oh, great. All right, and then brown sugar. Go ahead and give it a nice good dump on in there. Exactly. Yep. Dump it on in. Exactly. Good job. All right. We're off to a fantastic start. Now, let's have our next junior chef add in 2 egg whites and stir. Great. Let's add in those egg whites. Great job, Brett. Now, the egg whites and the butter are super important because they help all of the ingredients stick together. But it does take a lot of stirring to get it nice and smooth. Oh! Chef Goofy, do you want to stir things up too? All right, well, show us how. Chef Goofy is a professional stirrer. Let's see. Go. That looks like so much fun. All right, let's all stir things up the Chef Goofy way. Ready? Go. Oh, yeah. Muscle work over here. Great job, everyone. Thanks so much, Chef Goofy. All right, junior chefs, let's finish up our stirring so we can add in our next ingredient, which is, a teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla is a really yummy ingredient that adds a ton of flavor, so you only need a little bit. Exactly, just put on that vanilla. Great. And once that vanilla's in there, go ahead and give it a nice good stir. Great job. Oh, Chef Goofy, can you smell that vanilla? Oh, it is starting to smell so wonderful. Wow, these are going to be some really delicious cookies. But we're not ready to bake them just yet. We still have to add in our next ingredient, which is flour. Now, does anybody know what flour is? Can someone tell me what it is? Chef Goofy, you are so silly. Let me see. Oh, it smells so good. I could almost eat it. But junior chefs, is that the kind of flour we need for our cookie recipe? No. But it is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Chef Goofy. He is so sweet. The kind of flour that we're going to use today is a fluffy powder kind. And it's the main ingredient in all breads and, guess what? Cookies. So, we need to mix all of our dry ingredients together, separate from our liquid ingredients. So we're going to use our blue mixing bowl for that. And we're going to add in 1 cup of almond flour. Hey, Chef Goofy, did you know that 80% of the world's almonds come from right here in California? I know! Pretty impressive. Well, not here, silly. Here. We must be very lucky to live in California. All right, junior chefs. Once that almond flour is in there, we're going to add in our next 2 dry ingredients, which is a teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So go ahead and dump that on in. Amazing. Great job. That looks great. All right, now go ahead and give your flour mixture a nice good stir. Wow, that looks amazing. Chef Goofy, they are doing such a great job, aren't they? All right, I think it's time to take all of the ingredients from our blue mixing bowl and pour it into our red mixing bowl so we can stir all of those ingredients together. But be very careful. You have a lot of ingredients in there. We want to make sure it all sticks together. Great job. All right, now can I see you add the ingredients into the red mixing bowl? Amazing. Yeah, let's see it. Give it a nice good dump on in there. Great job. All right, amazing. Now go ahead and give it a nice good stir. Let's see over here. Oh yeah, we want to see a nice good mixture together. Great job. That looks great. Looking good over here. All right, we're getting close. Just a few more steps. Now we should be back to our very first junior chef. And you get to add in 1.5 cups of oats. Your favorite, Chef Goofy? I know, oats are so delicious. And they're really good for us too. Like oatmeal for breakfast. Did you have oatmeal for breakfast? Me raisins. Oh, yummy. Hey, Chef Goofy actually shared a really interesting fact on this day. Raisins are just grapes dried out in the sun. Pretty cool, right? Who'd have done? Alright, so go ahead and dump those raisins in there. Great job. Alright, and once those raisins are in, we are ready for our final stir. So go ahead and pass the mixing bowl over to the next junior chef and give it a nice good stir. Big circles, just like Chef Goofy showed us. Oh yeah, we want a Chef Goofy stir in here. Great job. Let's check over here. Let's see this cookie dough. Give it a nice good Chef Goofy stir. Awesome job. Alright. Oh, it's looking so good. Chef Goofy, guess what? Our cookie dough's ready. Alright. Now let's have a chef assistant grab a cookie sheet. And Chef Goofy and I are going to walk around to each table and get a nice big scoop of your cookie dough so it's ready to go into the magic oven. Alright, get your scoops ready. We're on our way. Let's see this big scoop over here. That's great, Charlie. Amazing. That looks so good. Alright, let's see this scoop over here. Great scoop, Caitlin. Thank you so much. Alright, can I see your big scoop, Bella? Great, that looks amazing. That's going to be a really good cookie. I know, it's getting me so hungry. Hey, alright, let's see this artwork over here. Great job, thank you. Amazing, everyone. You all did a terrific job. And it looks like we followed this recipe perfectly. Give yourselves a hand. And Chef Goofy, what is it? What could we possibly have forgotten? You're right. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I almost forgot. We still need to add Disney magic. Silly me. Alright, let's have a couple of our junior chefs come up and add some magic pixie dust onto our cookies. Here we go. Just a sprinkle of magic. Great job. Yep, some lots of magic on there. The more magic, the faster it bakes. Alright, lots and lots of magic and everyone's helping. Thank you so much. Ooh, it's sparkling like diamonds in the sun. Thank you so much, junior chefs. You can go back to your tables now. Alright. Now, these cookies are ready to go into the magic oven. Chef Goofy, don't forget to set that timer. Very important when baking. You always want to set the timer. Now, you may not have an oven like this at home. This is a magic oven, so it is super speedy. But I think we have enough time for a little game. What do you think, Chef Goofy? You want to help us play a game? Alright. This game is called Chef Goofy Says, and it is just like Simon Says. Has anyone played Simon Says before? Alright, you're going to be really good at this game then. Now, if I say Chef Goofy Says, you get to move. But if I don't say Chef Goofy Says, don't move. Are you ready to play, junior chefs? Alright, we're going to play some music, so listen closely and here we go. What's he going to do first? Chef Goofy Says, clap your hands. Clap. Here we go. Nice good warm up. Alright. Good one. Alright, next. Chef Goofy Says, wave your hands in the air. We are raising the roof of this kitchen. Great job. Friends and fam, I see you in the back. Doing great. Everyone can join in. Alright, stir like Goofy. Oh, I didn't say Chef Goofy Says. Alright. Chef Goofy Says, stir like Goofy. Great job, everyone. We've been practicing this move, Chef Goofy. I think we're professionals now. Chef Goofy Says, march in place. Great marching, everyone. High knees. Working up a sweat for these cookies. Alright. Chef Goofy Says, do the twist. Ooh, I think this one's my favorite, Chef Goofy. We've got professional dancers and chefs out here. Alright. And big finish, everyone. Chef Goofy Says, seen, our magical oatmeal raisin cookies are ready. Check the magic oven. Friends and fam, get those cameras out. I have a feeling this is going to be a photo op. Oh, wow. Congratulations, everyone. Oh, Chef Goofy, didn't they do such a great job? That sure is one magical oatmeal raisin cookie. It looks so delicious. But the best part is that we made it by working together. Now, because you did so much hard work today, Chef Goofy and I have some magical oatmeal raisin cookies just for you. And I think you've earned it. So sit tight. We're going to walk around to each of your tables and pass them out. Oh, this is my favorite part. You get to eat your delicious cookies. Yum, yum. And they look magical indeed. Alright, let's come over here. Great. Oh, that was a special batch, I could tell. Are you ready for cookies? I can tell this batch had a lot of extra magic on it. It was good. Alright. I saw hard-working hands over here. Are you ready for some cookies? They're going to be so great. In a magic oven. It does it all. I know. Great job, everyone. Oh, Chef Goofy, thank you so much for all of your help with our junior chefs today. We couldn't have done it without you. Now, I know that you have a lot of other baking to do, but do you think you have time for a quick picture? Alright, everyone, let's face our friends and family in the back, pick up our hard-earned treats, and say, cookies! Great job, everyone. I'm sure it looks amazing. Alright, now, Chef Goofy is needed back in the kitchen, but thank you so much, Chef Goofy. Can everyone say, bye, Chef Goofy? Bye!